Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply clear cookies and cache in your Facebook account in order to boost your Facebook account security. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Facebook. I'm going to click on here to open up my Facebook. Then after you open up your Facebook, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top corner right here. So click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to settings and privacy. So click on that. Then go to settings. So click on settings right here. And it's going to take you to all this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to browser. Let's take you right here. Under the browser section right here, you have cookies and cache. What you need to do is to simply click on clear. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear. Clearing cookies and cache. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.